Hi guys! Today we will see how to make a slider effect in BannerBoo. First, add the size of our banner and press Let's Go. Great! Now let's make the background white. Let's add text. To do this, we go to the text menu and choose the one we need. Now change the size, thickness, color, and other parameters in its settings. Now we duplicate our text and edit it in the same way. Cool! Now let's add a button using a gradient. To achieve this, go to the menu of Vector Objects and choose the gradient. Here we choose one of the gradients. Now we change its size. Then double-click on the gradient to add text. To edit gradient text, follow the same process as you would for regular text. The only nuance is that the vertical alignment of the text in the gradient is performed using the line height parameter. We typically set this parameter to 2.5, but for taller texts, it's preferable to set it to 2. Excellent! Now let's add an improvised logo using the library of vector elements. Now, let's increase the animation time of our objects to 10 seconds. Cool! Now let's add our images. To achieve this, go to the Downloads menu and click Upload your own assets. Select the image and click Open. Now click on one of them and place it on the canvas. Wonderful! On the timeline, we position our image below the button to avoid overlapping with the call to action. Now, let's increase the in animation and decrease the out animation as much as possible. As we will have 4 images, the maximum duration for the animation of each image should not exceed 3 seconds. Now click on In Animation, then select Custom. We set the left parameter to 600, easing set to linear. Now, move our image to the left of the banner as our animation will be start from the right side. Let's see how it will appear. Fantastic! Now, duplicate our image multiple times and align the copies on the same level. To enhance convenience now and for the future, enable the rulers and set one. Now, we will evenly distribute our copies on the timeline for 10 seconds. Let's review the intermediate result. Excellent! Now place the cursor over one of the copies and drag the image onto it. We repeat the same process with the remaining copies. Let's now transform the remaining images to visually match the size of the first one. Let's review the banner. Our button lacks dynamics. Let's add a pulse animation to it. Also for dynamics, let's add some neutral background and animate it. To achieve this, navigate to the image library, enter the desired text in the search field, and choose one of the suggested images. We add it to the workspace, transform, and edit if required. Now, position it at the bottom of the timeline and extend its duration to 10 seconds. We increase the in and out animations to the center as much as possible. Now, we will add animation. It will be the same on both sides. Go to Custom, Easing, Ease In Out parameter, left 100. Don't forget to save our banner by pressing Ctrl C. Now let's look at the final result. You can find this banner template and its resizes through the link below this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, have a nice day, and stay tuned for more videos.